Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for in-depth reviews, test drives, and honest takes on the latest cars on the market. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most refined EVs of the year, the 2025 Polestar 2 in a stunning black finish. Polestar might have started as Volvo's performance sub-brand, but it's now carving its own path in the premium electric vehicle space. And the 2025 version of the Polestar 2 is a significant evolution over its predecessors, with updates in design, software, and, most importantly, hardware. We'll break it all down: the sleek exterior, a surprisingly luxurious interior, upgraded performance specs, and of course, what it costs to get one in your driveway. So buckle up, this is going to be a deep ride into a Scandinavian electric masterpiece. Exterior. Let's talk design. The 2025 Polestar 2 in black is a perfect example of how less can be more. There's something about the combination of bold, clean lines and this deep gloss black finish that makes the car feel almost sculptural. It doesn't scream for attention like some of its more flamboyant EV rivals, it whispers confidence. Up front, Polestar has refreshed the fascia. Gone is the faux grille. Instead, you get what they call the Smart Zone, a cleaner, body-colored panel housing the sensors, radar, and cameras necessary for the car's advanced driver assistance systems. The headlights feature pixel LED technology, adapting automatically to oncoming traffic and providing exceptional visibility in all conditions. The signature, Thor's hammer, design remains, giving it that unmistakable Volvo Polestar family look. From the side profile, you see what really sets the Polestar 2 apart. It's not quite a sedan, not quite a crossover. It rides a bit higher than a traditional sedan, thanks to its liftback design, and that black paint accentuates the strong shoulder lines and lower stance. The frameless mirrors are new for 2025, improving aerodynamics and reducing drag. The rear of the car features a full-width LED light bar with adaptive lighting that adjusts based on braking intensity and road conditions. It's functional and beautiful, which pretty much sums up the car as a whole. Polestar offers a variety of wheel options, but the black model we're looking at today is riding on 20-inch forged alloy wheels with a 5V spoke design in black diamond cut, a perfect match for the car's overall aesthetic. Now, stepping inside the 2025 Polestar 2 is like walking into a high-end Swedish loft. It's modern, minimalist, and incredibly well thought out. The black theme continues on the inside with charcoal weave tech seats, a vegan material that feels like a cross between high-quality neoprene and Alcantara. It's sustainable, comfortable, and fits the car's ethos of conscious luxury. One of the biggest changes in the 2025 model is the updated infotainment and digital interfaces. The driver gets a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that's sharp, responsive, and customizable. In the center, there's an 11.2-inch portrait-oriented touchscreen powered by Android Automotive OS. And let me tell you, it's smooth. Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store are all natively integrated, and the voice command system is one of the best in any car today. Apple users, don't worry. Wireless Apple CarPlay is finally here in the 2025 model. It's been a long time coming, but it's implemented flawlessly. The cabin itself is whisper quiet thanks to sound-deadening materials and the absence of an internal combustion engine. The Harman Kardon sound system takes full advantage of that silence, with rich mids, deep bass, and excellent spatial separation. Rear seat passengers get ample legroom and a decent amount of headroom, although taller occupants might find the sloping roofline a bit tight. The panoramic glass roof stretches nearly the full length of the cabin and adds a tremendous sense of space and airiness, especially with the black interior. The cargo space is surprisingly generous for what looks like a sedan. With the rear seats up, you get about 14.3 cubic feet in the trunk and another 1.2 cubic feet in the front trunk, or frunk. Fold down the back seats and you've got plenty of room for road trips, groceries, or even a small IKEA haul. Storage in the cabin is clever, too. The floating center console has hidden compartments, the door bins are deep, and the armrest has a slide-out tray for smaller items like your phone or wallet. Performance. Now let's talk about what makes this car more than just a pretty face. The 2025 Polestar 2 gets a serious performance upgrade under the skin. You have two major options this year, a rear-wheel drive single-motor variant and an all-wheel drive dual-motor variant. The car we're reviewing is the dual-motor AWD version, and it is no slouch. It puts out 421 horsepower and 546 lb-ft of torque. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.2 seconds, which is quicker than most hot hatches and even some traditional sports sedans. But Polestar hasn't just cranked up the power and called it a day. They've retuned the chassis, added more responsive throttle mapping, and included a torque vectoring system that helps deliver power more efficiently to each wheel. The result is an EV that feels planted, composed, and genuinely fun to drive. There's also an optional performance pack, which bumps the power up slightly and adds Öhlins dual-flow valve dampers, upgraded Brembo brakes, and unique 20-inch forged alloy wheels. Even without it, though, the car handles like a dream. Steering is tight and predictable, regenerative braking is fully adjustable, including a one-pedal drive mode, and the ride quality strikes a great balance between sporty and comfortable. Whether you're navigating twisty back roads or cruising on the highway, the Polestar 2 feels confident and agile. Range. The dual-motor version gives you about 307 miles on a full charge, thanks to a more efficient powertrain and an 82 kWh battery pack. The single-motor version stretches that to 320 miles, making it a solid choice for range-conscious buyers. Charging has also been improved. DC fast charging now supports up to 205 kilowatts, which means 10 to 80% in just under 30 minutes at a compatible charger. Home charging through a level 2 wall box will take roughly 8 hours for a full top-up, perfect for overnight. Pricing. Alright, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Polestar 2 starts at $51,300 for the base rear-wheel drive version. That's with the standard range, standard interior package, and basic wheels. The dual-motor version we're reviewing, with AWD and the extended range battery, starts at around $56,700. Add the Performance Pack, Pilot Pack, which includes enhanced driver assistance, and the Plus Pack, featuring the Harman Kardon sound system, heat pump, upgraded interior materials, and you're looking at a fully loaded model that tops out just above $64,000. Now, some will say that's expensive for a compact EV, but when you compare it to rivals like the Tesla Model 3 Performance, the BMW i4, or even the Audi Q4 e-tron, the Polestar 2 offers a uniquely refined experience that feels more premium, more mature, and more rooted in quality craftsmanship. And don't forget, federal tax credits may apply depending on where you live and whether you lease or purchase. Polestar also offers attractive leasing programs and loyalty incentives, so it's worth checking with your local dealer or the Polestar website for the latest deals. The 2025 Polestar 2 is a car that doesn't try to be everything to everyone. It's not an SUV, it's not chasing outrageous 0 to 60 times, and it's not loaded with gimmicks. Instead, it delivers a thoughtful, beautifully designed, high-performance electric experience that feels like it was made for grown-ups. People who appreciate design, quality, and purpose over hype. In black, the Polestar 2 looks absolutely stunning. It's sleek, stealthy, and stylish without ever trying too hard. It commands attention not through flash, but through finesse. Inside, it's a masterclass in Scandinavian design, understated, functional, and sophisticated. And on the road, it delivers performance that's more than enough for 99% of drivers while offering the comfort and quietude of a true premium EV. So, is the 2025 Polestar 2 worth it? If you value craftsmanship over chaos, and elegance over excess, then yes, absolutely. This might just be the EV for you. That wraps up our full review of the 2025 Polestar 2 in black. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Would you pick this over a Tesla Model 3 or BMW i4? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive car review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.